Good morning everyone. I am Jaydeep Mundra from Transpet India. We are manufacturers of PET cans and can seaming machine. Today I am demonstrating our new SS body tabletop head rotating machine. In this, the machine head rotates, the cans remain stable. For advantage of this machine is that if you are packing any delicate item like cookies, gummies or any soft material, this will not allow the can to rotate. So only head will rotate and can will seal. So I will demonstrate the machine to you, how to use the machine. Place the can on the base plate, press the pedal and sealing will be done. See, the can is sealed. I am pressing the can and there is no leakage. I am going to seal couple of cans to demonstrate. You can put the can on auto mode also. There is an auto mode also. In this, the machine will automatically run continuously after a timer. When the timer is over, the machine will run. So nobody is using the machine. The machine is running on an auto mode. So you can set the timer of the machine. Depending upon the person who is using it, how fast he can move his hands, you can set the timer and the machine will run on auto mode. For more information, please contact us. Contact details are mentioned after this video. Thank you.